If you could just, in a couple of lines, just say, what is the gut microbiome?
Yeah, so I guess the gut microbiome is about all of the little microorganisms that are, in our alimentary system, which is anywhere from the mouth to the anus. But there are certain areas within our digestive tract that are more intensely populated by microorganisms than others. For example, the mouth and the large bowel are really, really densely populated with lots of different microorganisms. And it's really these ecosystems of microorganisms and how they interact with us and how they interact with each other to sort of influence all sorts of aspects of our health, from our digestion, how much nutrients we absorb, to how much hormones and chemicals we produce, to our immune systems and how we develop our immune systems. So there's a whole host of different actions and things that these incredible little microorganisms do for us all the time. And we just weren't even aware that they were even there up until really recently. And now we're understanding them a great deal better, and we're understanding that it's just vast what they do for us. So it's a little missing link there, and studying these ecosystems has only really become something we can actually achieve since the 1970s. So this is a really new science, and it's only since then that our understanding of these organisms has taken off. So it's exciting, it's new, and it's now offering us some explanations as to why disease happens. So yeah.
I think that's really important, Sheena, that for students who might be thinking about doing this course, to understand that this is incredibly new science. I mean, although the technology has existed for a while, it's only really been the last 10 or 15 years that there's been a complete explosion of research papers coming out on microbiome science, and particularly on the gut microbiome. So if anyone out there is feeling a bit left behind and that everyone knows about it and they don't, then they need to understand that this is really kind of cutting edge science. But it's also important to know that these microbes have been around since before we existed. So, microbes date back sort of, billions of years, and they have been covering the surface of everything on Earth, animals, plants, and inanimate objects for all that time. And we come along and we've never been without microbes in and on us. And so we kind of co-evolved with these incredible microorganisms, and they become an integral part of our biology. And that's when we get this concept of this, whether we're a superorganism or whether we're a holobiont. And certainly one of the things that amazed me was the fact that we're approximately 50% human cells and approximately 50% microbial cells. That's incredible that we're 50-50 human and microbial. But then when you add in the gene element, so these microbes have, far greater genomic capacity than us. So there's